So welcome back to this session. Right, I remain your coach, Edigayi, thank God. So in this session, we're going to be going to practical on how you can do your mini importation from China using 1688.com. So in this session, we're going to be learning how to translate the sites from Chinese to English language. Then we're also going to learn how to picture search on the for product that you want to buy. Maybe you have the product you want to buy and you have the picture. You can snap it and search it on the site. So we're going to learn that. Then we're also going to learn how to evaluate supplier shop in 1688 to know the supplier have a good, if a fake supplier or original supplier. Then we're also going to check the numbers of to rate the store, the sizes of different item on the store. You can do all of that. So we are going to practically learn everything on this site. All right, so let's get into the session now. Now, for you to log into 1688, always use Google Chrome. So once you get to your Google Chrome, type 1688.com. So you wait for it to load. So it will take you to this interface. This is how 1688 look like if you are logging in the first time. So everything is written in Chinese language. So for you to be able to understand what is on this site, you need to translate the site to English language. So for you to do that, on top of the site, you will see three dots. You click on the three dots, then you see translate, then click on translate. Then if you come down here, you will see three dots. So depending on your phone, some phones you see it on your right hand side or left hand side. So depending on the phone you are using. So you click on these three dots. Then mark always translate page in Chinese simplified. So always leave it like that. Always translate page to Chinese simplified. Then you click on English. So your page and the site has already transmitted to English language. So this is how to translate the site to English language. Then the next thing you need to do is you can go and on the search bar, you can go and type what you want to look for. So once you get here, you still need to translate the site again to English language. So you click on the three arrow on top, then click on translate, then click on English. Then you click on you enter the keyword, then you type for what you want to look for. Maybe for example, clothes. So I just type clothes there. Then to bring a different close, then I will select the one I want. So that is how to change the site to English language. So another thing want to look, so it has bring different clothes, so I can go and select the clothes that I want. So but before we do that, another thing I want to look, if you want to picture site, I can picture search on the site. So let's go back to our Google Chrome. For you to picture search, there are different ways you can do that. So you see click on this three dots, then click on desktop site. All right, so you can then you see change it to English. So you click on English, then you go and zoom. If you zoom, you can see a camera icon that is on the search bar. So you click on this camera icon, then you can look for the picture. You can see that snap, or you can look for the picture where you have saved the picture for. Then you make use of it. So for example, maybe I want to search for this cloth now. So I will just click on the clothes, then I will mark OK. Then it will automatically load and bring different sellers that are selling this clothes. So these are the results, different results that he brought. So it's for me to go and look for what I want. Because each of the supplier, they have their different prices, and I'll look for what I want, and the supplier that have a good evaluation, so I can get the best material of clothes that I want. So for example, let me check Let me just make use of this second one. All right, so once you get to this interface, you need to translate the page to English language. So if you click on the three dot on top, then you click on translate the English. So everything has translated to English language. Now, for example, maybe you want to save the picture or the video. So for example, there's a video here. So if you want to save this video, you just click on it, then click on download. So it will save the video for you automatically. There are also pictures, so it's still the same thing. If you want to save the picture, any item that you want to save, just click on it, then you click on download. Now if you scroll down, you see that they have different prices for the same product. Now the first price you have here is 95 yuan. Now the 95 yuan, if you are buying two pieces, the minimum you can buy is two pieces. So if you are buying two pieces, you will pay 95 yuan. Then if you are buying if you are buying from 100 to 200, 299, you pay 88.32 in one. Then if you are buying from 300 and above, you pay 81.60 yuan. So the more you buy, the lesser the price is. Now if you scroll down, the next thing you need to go and check for evaluation if the store have evaluation. So this store does not have evaluation, so I will not be able to buy from this store. So let me look for another store that have good evaluation. The first thing you need to check in every store you enter is the evaluation before you also check other things to know if the person is really a good supplier or not. Let me check this one. I think this one have evaluation. Let me change to English language. Right, so this one have evaluation, store evaluation 50 plus. How about 4 star, return rate 20%. This you have good evaluation. So these are some of the things you need to look when to check for in the supplier store. The next thing you need to check is the specification. So the specification will show you the color, the different color of the clothes and the sizes. So we click on specification. Now if you click on specification now, you can choose the different color on your left hand side. You can click on the color that you want to buy. You can click on any color, then the color will come outside. Then these are the different sizes. We have size 38, size 39, size 40, 41. So these are the different sizes. Now this size 38 is on inventory. If a product is on inventory, which means the supplier does not have the product presently, but the supplier have the materials to produce the product. So you can always check if the product is in stock. If the product is available, immediately they will write in stock. But if the product is not available, but the material, the supplier have the material to produce the product, they write inventory. So presently now, this product is on inventory, which means the supplier does not have the product, but they have the material to produce the product. So you can always come back to come and check. The next thing you need to do is you can copy the link and send it to your procurement agent. So for you to copy the link, there are different ways you can do that. You can either click here, then you click on so you click this circle, the circle that have eye on it. You click on it for you to see then you click on copy, then you go and paste it where you want to. That is one of the ways to copy. Then another way to copy is you click on this on top. You see this place, then you click on it, then you copy it. So this is another way to copy link. So once you have copied the link, then you can now go and paste it to your supplier, the procurement agent I want to buy from. So for example, I'll paste the link here, link of the product, then the name of the product. Let me say close. Then I also specify the color. First of all, the quantity that I want. Maybe I need 10. Then size 40. The color let me say blue. So it depends. So once you are done, then as you are done, then you go and copy the other link again of the second product. You see paste, then you see write the same thing. So that's how to copy link from 1688. So once you are done with copying and writing everything, then you send it to your procurement agent to make place an order for you, or you can place the order directly from your store. So let's go back to the owner of the store have been in business since November 2019. So that is very good. Then the store have 5-star general service. So you need to scroll down. If you scroll down, so that you can see the details about the product. So you can see different the details about the product. So it's very important that you go through the details about the product.